In this video, I'll be showing you how to change your overhead dome light bulb on a Chevy Silverado 2007 to 2013. Using a pick, you're going to pry out the two clips that are holding in the cover. It's easier to do it on the opposite side of where the buttons are. As you can see, this is where the clips are located. To take out the bulb, just grab it with your hand and then just pull it out. For the replacement, you're going to get 212-2 bulbs. You could tell if the bulb is bad if the middle part right here looks burnt or broken. This one is good. To put it back in, just grab the bulb and then push it in until you hear it click on both sides. It's recommended you wear gloves when putting in the new bulb or to wipe the bulb part after when you're done putting it in. This is to give it extra life. Now you could put the cover back in, slide it in where the switches are, and then you could pop in the other side.